What is the value of the expression 6 plus 6 inside the parentheses, then minus 8 divided by 2 multiplied by 8? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? At first glance, this expression seems very simple, but unfortunately, many people get tricked. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. In the first step of solving this question, many people go straight to the expression inside the parentheses and simplify the whole expression to 12 minus 8 divided by 2 times 8. In the next step, they perform the subtraction between 12 and 8 and simplifying this expression to 4 divided by 2 times 8. In the next step, they handle the division between 4 and 2 and write this expression as 2 multiplied by 8, which eventually gives them the answer 16. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that option D is the correct answer to this question. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Also, some other people when solving this question first go to the expression inside the parentheses and write this expression as 12 minus 8 divided by 2 times 8. In the next step, first they handle the multiplication between 2 and 8 because they believe multiplication has a higher priority than division. So, they rewrite this expression as 12 minus 8 divided by 16. In the next step, they perform the division between 8 and 16 because they think division has a higher priority than subtraction. So, they simplify this expression to 12 minus 0.5, which ultimately gives them the answer 11.5. And immediately, they conclude that option C is the correct answer to this question. But I have to say, we were tricked and it's not the correct answer to this question. Now let's solve this question step by step correctly. As you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have a parenthesis, then a subtraction sign, followed by a division, and finally a multiplication. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule step by step. In this rule, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We must perform all the operations strictly from top to bottom according to the PEMDAS rule. Okay, first we go to the parentheses, because according to the PEMDAS rule, parentheses have the highest priority over all other operations. So, we can write this expression as 12 minus 8 divided by 2 times 8. In the next step, we move on to the division and multiplication, because multiplication and division have higher priority than subtraction. However, it's very important to note that multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this situation, the best approach is to start from the left and move toward the right, performing these two operations in order. So, first we start with the division between 8 and 2, which simplifies this expression to 12 minus 4 times 8. In the final step, we handle the multiplication between 4 and 8 because multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. And this expression simplifies to 12 minus 32, which ultimately gives us the answer negative 20. Therefore, option A is the correct answer to this question.